collecting and hello class, good morning. So this week we will talk about collecting and analyzing data. So when you say statistics, it is about collecting information or data. Every statistical investigation begins with a question to be answered or a guess to be tested or proved. So, conducting surveys and using questionnaires are used to collect pieces of information. So, statistics is simply collecting information and analyzing it. So we have two types of data. First is category data, are described in words such as favorite sports or favorite movies. Because when you talk about favorite sports, then you will name it as basketball, volleyball, badminton, and when you say discrete data are described in counting or using number such as number of participants. So let's say there are 45 participants. Next is test scores. She got 45 in her mathematics examination. So that is discrete data. So you can see now the difference of category and discrete data. So we have two examples here. Favorite TV shows of grade 5 pupils. This is an example of category data. While the number of drinks purchased during school recess are considered discrete data. Characteristic of interest such as favorite games or number of participants are called statistical variables. For example, favorite games we have basketball, badminton, volleyball. So those are statistical variables. The data that boy So those are statistical variables. Some survey questions that may be used in statistical investigations are the following. What indoor game is the most favorite? Which day of the week is the warmest? Is basketball the most popular sports? What is the favorite color of grade 5 pupils? So take a look at this example. The data that the boy gathered shows weather forecast from Monday through Sunday. So the weather forecast from Monday through Sunday. So Monday sunny, Tuesday sunny, Wednesday cloudy, Thursday sunny, Friday rainy, Saturday sunny, Sunday rainy. So based on this data, you can conclude that the chance that it will not rain on Tuesday is high since it is a sunny day. So that is what you can conclude based on this given set of data. So discrete data or category data like colors, games, and TV shows are often collected and organized in tally charts. To keep track of the data, the tallies are counted to find the frequency or total number of times a choice occurs. These tally charts are organized into frequency tables. So this one, okay, Let's take a look at this example. Tommy made a survey about the favorite sports of his classmates. So this is what we call the tally. Then when you count the tally, then that would be the frequency. So here in basketball, we have 5 plus 4, 9. So the frequency is 9. Volleyball, 4. So the frequency is 4. This one is the tally and this is the frequency. So for example, you ask one of your classmates and his answer or her answer is basketball, then you put one, okay, one mark here in the tally part. Then when you ask again, then they said volleyball, then you will put it on the line, okay, of volleyball. So that's how you make tally. Example number 3, Ella and Andrea surveyed 25 pupils about their favorite snack. So here is the tallies. 8, 7, 6, 4. Sandwich chicken is, this must be 4 only. Okay, so how many pupils like spaghetti? So you can answer this question by looking on this table. So spaghetti, the frequencies is 8, so it means that there are 8 pupils who like spaghetti. Number 2, how many pupils like champorado? Look at the table. Champorado, there are 7 students. Next, how many pupils like turon? So turon, there are 6 pupils who like to eat turon. Next is how many pupils like chicken sandwich? So just look at this one. There are 4 students. What is the total frequency? So when you say total frequency, you will add all the frequencies. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 6, 21, plus 4, 25. So the total frequency is 25. Which is the favorite snack of the pupils? Which is the favorite? So based on this table, the favorite snacks of, or the favorite snack of the pupils is spaghetti. Next, how many more pupils like spaghetti than turon? How many more pupils like spaghetti than turon? So there are 8 pupils like spaghetti, and there are 6 pupils who like turon. So the word how many more pupils like spaghetti than turon, then you will just subtract 6 minus 8, then the answer is 2. Next is, what is the least favorite snack? So based on this table, the least favorite is chicken sandwich because there are only 4 pupils who likes chicken sandwich. Next is an infographic. Infographic, when you say infographic, it is a combination of information and graphic. Is a representation of gathered information in a graphic format that make the data easily understandable at a glance. So just like here, this is bar graph. So this one is a bar graph. Then you can easily see, or you can easily see and compare the data. So based on this bar graph, there are more okay, pupils who like spaghetti, and the list is chicken sandwich. This one is an example of infographic. Bar graph, pie chart, and pie chart are example of infographic. For your activity answer practice A on pages 393 to 394, take a photo of your answers and send it via private message, deadline March 30.